Hey everyone, welcome back to RC Studios. Today we will be unboxing the new Traxxas Corvette Stingray. Alright, so here's what you get inside the box. You get the car all wrapped in plastic, you get a bag of goodies, and a TQ 2.4 GHz controller. Let's tear into the car. Well, here's the vehicle right outside the box. Well, the outside of it at least. The body on this vehicle is amazing. The attention to detail on it is like no other. Each of the headlights and the taillights have both been hollowed out. There is an additional kit which you can buy to install lights on this, on front and rear. You have little side plastic mirrors, little fenders, carved out fenders at that. You get scale looking wheels and rims. The taillights, little vents. And unlike on the Traxxas Fortec 2.0, where you just have a sticker right here, you actually get a little model engine bay with a piece of Lexan covering it. This body is equipped with clipless mounts. There's a lever on the front underneath the bumper and a clip in the very back. You'll just get a pull back on those and pull up and the body should come off. Alright, so here's the chassis. The major difference between this and the Fortec 2.0 is the length of the chassis and the width of the chassis, along with the fact that they made the tires wider and more grippy. At the rear of the vehicle, you have steel-driven shafts, small oil-filled shocks, connected to a differential right there. Right here and here, that's where your pinion and spur gear sits. Then you have a steel drive shaft that runs all the way forward to the front of the vehicle, where you have your servo connected to your turnbuckle. And the front also has a steel shaft. This out of the box comes with a Titan 21 turn 550 can turn motor, along with the XL5 ESC. You can run a nickel metal hydride battery on this, or a 2S LiPo. Batteries and chargers are not included with this kit. Moving forward a little bit, you have your receiver box. This system is completely waterproof. Your receiver sits right in here, which helps keep it dry. Right underneath that, you have your 2075 servo to turn the front wheels. This whole system is brushless ready. All right, moving on to the bag of goodies now. All right. So in the bag of goodies, you get two shock adjusters. This will help you space the springs to help increase the rebound stiffness. You get a bag of tools to help you with all the maintenance on this vehicle. You get a larger pinion gear. This will help you achieve that 30-mile-per-hour speed. You get a way to warranty your vehicle with Traxxas if you have any electronic problems. You get a pamphlet telling you about their TQI and telemetry program they have and they offer. You get a book that shows you the entire breakdown of the vehicle. And what part is what. You get your owner's manual and a pamphlet telling you about their batteries they provide and what you can get to power this vehicle. Before running your RTR, it is recommended that you read all of the following things. With the Traxxas Fortec 3.0, you get a standard TQ top quarters 24 GHz controller. This has a steering trim knob, a set button, your throttle, and your steering. To run this controller, you'll need 4 AA batteries. Thank you for watching this unboxing of the Traxxas Fortec 3.0. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. Also tap that like button.